Let's make a project with strip flock vinyl in 60 seconds or less, because if you haven't played with this vinyl, you are missing out. And it's fun and beginner friendly. First of all, this is what it looks like. This piece is used, but it's thick. It's a thick vinyl and it's textured, kind of like suede-ish or chenille. I always get those mixed up. Anyway, it's textured like those varsity letters. So yeah, let's make a shirt. Here's our design. Okay, so you want to go ahead and mirror all of your layers because this is iron-on, and you want to cut on this flocked iron-on setting. Okay, let's cut all of our layers. Oh yeah, and you do want to put it shiny side down, just like normal. Okay, now we're gonna weed it. For being as thick as it is, you're gonna be surprised at how easy it actually weeds. 1 down, 2 to go. Heat your heat press to 310 for 15 seconds. Always preheat your shirt. Lay out your design and press. Then peel. Now I'm gonna press on the stars.